The sound of happiness. Eh, Nova? The sound of happiness. She wants me to pet her, to feed her babies. I think I spoil her. I spoil this beautiful mama. She wants me to pet her to feed her babies. She's lovely. She's lovely. She can be spoiled. It's better if she's spoiled and safe in the shelter than to be stray and poor with her puppies to die out there. Here, she's spoiled and safe. Nova's family. The babies are so happy and they grow up so fast. All the puppies, they grow up fast when they eat good and when they get their pill for worms. Yes. Hey, you beautiful Nova. Oppa. That was it. And now it's time for the second plate, second food. It's time for some wet food now. Beautiful family. Nova's family.